A warm good evening to everybody present here. Today, as you know, we have gathered here on the auspicious day of Happy Children's Day. As we know that today is the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. As we know that he loved children very much, and on his birth anniversary, today we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. So let us now know about Children's Day, why it is celebrated and how it is celebrated. This was my brief description, and Navesh sir will now take you to the next level of it. He will get you know to the roots of it and how it is celebrated. He will let you know everything about it. So let us invite him to the stage.
Thank you so much, Mr. Aman, for inviting me on the stage, and I'm extremely proud of you that you are able to conduct as a host. As we know that it's Children's Day, and it's celebrated on 14th of November every year, almost every corner of India, in the memory of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was the first Prime Minister of India, independent India. So on his birth anniversary, we celebrate Children's Day just to remark his birth anniversary. And we have also organized this program as a cultural program so that our students get opportunities to express themselves, giving speeches, singing songs, and taking part in quiz competitions. And it's really a pride moment for me this year because this is the first year of Apex CBSE Coaching Center, and all my students are trying their best to study and to give their performances. Apart from the students' performances, my colleagues, my teacher Khursi sir, he is also trying his best to teach math and science, and I'm also trying my best to teach English as well as social including. Thank you so much, and I want Mr. Aman to come back on the stage and do the hosting.
Thank you, Navesh sir, for glorifying this program with your golden words. So now let's move on to our students, my friends, and have their introduction.
Good evening. My name is Jisaka. I am a student of class 9 of Holy Cross School. I live at Kanki. My father's name is Mithunjay Saka. He is a businessman. My hobby of my life is to play football, and I want to become a footballer in my life.
Thank you, Jit, for your introduction. So I would like to ask you, what was your experience till now? How did you feel in this coaching center?
My experience of this coaching center is very good. The teachers and the students have a friendly relation here. We can clarify our doubts without any hesitation. I have improved my skills from here.
That was a very genuine experience shared by our lovely friend Jeet. So now let's move on to our another student of our coaching center and what he feels. Let's see.
Good evening everyone, and thank you Aman for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mashkoor Ahmed. I am reading in class 10 at Holy Cross School, which is situated at Nishitpur, Dalkola. I am living in Kahania. My father's name is MD Salimuddin, and my short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to become a playback singer and actor.
I hope you would be a successful person in your life. So now, what was your experience? As we have asked Jeet, he had shared his very genuine experience. So
my experience were very good in this institute, because in this institute I learned how to speak in English and do conversation with my friends.
Good evening to all are present here. My name is Mohammad Faisal Raja. I read in class 9 in Balmandir Senior Secondary School at Kishanganj. I live at Kanki. My father's name is Mohammad Ghulam Rabbani. He is a businessman, and I want to become a successful businessman on my life.
You want to become a businessman. So let's see, how did you conduct your business? How did you feel in this coaching center, and what made you think that you would be a successful businessman in your life, and what made you choose that you would be a businessman in your life?
My experience is also very good here. Apart from English textbook, grammar, spoken English, math, science are regularly taught here.
Thank you, Faisal, for your presence here. So now let's move on to our another student, Aman Arzu.
A very good evening to all of you are present here. At first, many happy Children's Day. My dear friends and respected teachers, I am MD Aman Arzu of class 9 from ST St. Xavier English Medium School. It is located in Halim Chowk from Kishanganj. My hobbies are playing games, fun with friends, and many more. I want to become a successful doctor in my life.
So Aman, how was your experience in this coaching center?
I joined Apex Coaching Center 1 month ago. I am a new student here, and my personal experience is very good teaching here, and teachers are also good here, and my study is improved day by day life.
Good evening, all of you present here. Happy Children's Day to all my friends. My name is Nafis Raza. I read in class 9 at Oriental Public School. My father's name is Mohammad Azad Alam. My hobby is playing to cricket. My aim is I want to become a doctor in my life. That's all.
How's your experience in our coaching center?
My experience of this coaching center is that I have improved my study thanks to Navesh sir and Kursi sir. That's all.
Now we have Jahan with us now. Let us see.
A very good evening to all of you. First of all, Happy Children's Day to all of you. My name is Mohammad Jan Ali. I read in class 9th at Oriental Public School, which is located at Kishanganj. I live at Simalia. My father's name is Mohammad Zafar Alam, and he is a businessman. My hobbies are to play cricket and football.
So Jahan, how did you feel in our coaching center? How it has changed you, and what you have felt about it?
My experience is also best. Here both the teachers are good and trained. They teaching in a simple way, and it's easy to understand for us, and I like their teaching very much. Thank you.
That was all of our seniors. Now let's take a look at our juniors.
Hello, good evening everyone. Happy Children's Day to all. And my name is Ahmed Raja. I read in class 5 in St. Xavier's English Medium School. Today I am very happy because today is Children's Day.
Hello everyone, I am Abdul Sab. I live in Kanki. My school name is Oriental Public School. I read in class 6. My father's name is Abdul Majid. My father is a businessman, and my hobby is playing cricket and all of this.
Hello everyone, my name is Faizan Al-Muazzam. I am a student of Carmel Mission School in class 5. My father's name is Mustaq Ahmed. He is a businessman, and my hobby is to play cricket and watching cricket, and I want to become in my life a doctor. That's all about me. Today is Children's Day, so I am very happy in my coaching.
My name is Magdum Ashraf. I read in class 4. My school name is Carmel Mission School. I live at Kanki. My father's name is Ahmad Niaz Attar. He is a teacher. My hobby is playing cricket and watching TV. I want to become a doctor.
Hello, it's good evening. My name is Jad Raja. I read in class 4 Marigold English School, Kanki. My father's name is Mujibur Rahman. My hobby is playing cricket.
That was a lovely and quick introduction by our juniors. So now I would like to invite Khurshid sir to glorify this moment with his golden words.
सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पे सभी बच्चों को बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और उसके साथ साथ दीपावली का बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सबों को। हमारे महामहिम प्राइम मिनिस्टर जवाहरलाल नेहरू के याद में मनाया जाता है, और पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू अपने बर्थ एनिवर्सरी को इसलिए बच्चों के हवाले किया क्योंकि बच्चा जो है, द चिल्ड्रंस आर द फ्यूचर ऑफ द कंट्री, और उन्होंने बच्चों को इस तरह प्रोत्साहित किया अपने बर्थडे को गिफ्ट करके कि बच्चा जो है उसके कदमों तले या फिर उसके जो बनाए गए जो स्ट्रक्चर, हिंदुस्तान का गंगा जमुनी तहज़ीब है, हिंदू मुसलमान सब आपस में मिलकर रहते हैं, यहाँ पे हर अनेक धर्म के लोग रहते हैं, उन तब गंगा जमुनी तहज़ीब को बचाने के लिए और उसको आगे बढ़ाने के लिए अपना जो है बर्थ एनिवर्सरी इन बच्चों के नाम के आपके नाम पर स्वागत के रूप में दे करके वो गए।
Thank you Khurshid sir for your motivational words. We are inspired a lot. So now I would like to invite Navesh sir to have some of his words again in this program, and have a lovely evening.
Thank you so much, Kursi sir. Thank you so much, Mr. Aman. And thank you all of you, all the students present today. I am extremely emotional to see the performances. I know that some of the students have made mistakes, but I know that mistake is the pillar of success. I know that this is the first time in Apex CBSE coaching classes. All the students have not been able to perform well up to the mark, but even it has satisfied me to a great extent because juniors and seniors, all of you have tried your best. Children's Day, Day of Children, although we have not been able to celebrate it with its great pomp or great prompt, But inshallah, God willingly, if everything goes very nice up to the next year, this celebration will get its beautification next year double and double. And I want to bless you. I want to pray to God for all of you that you become successful and you study harder and harder, so that the name of our coaching center touches its peaks. Thank you very much, all of you. Special thank goes to Khurshid sir for associating with me and for contributing his knowledge and dedication to improve the students' quality. Special thanks goes to Maskur for decorating this class. Special thanks goes to Jeet. Special thanks goes to Faisal, Aman Arzu, Jahan, Ahmad. Special thanks goes to Nafis, Abdul Sami, Faizan, and all of the children, everybody. I want to give my special thanks, especially Mr. Aman Sahib, for conducting this program as a host. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Wish you best of luck. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Thank you.